Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I wanted to show you Fritz the Frog's new girlfriend. He's kind of a calendar boy now, and today's the 20th. It's his day, and I found this cute, oh, come on, sit up. Cute little frog for him at Walmart. What was it? It's really cheap. $3. I was going to make him a Valentine's frog. $3, and it's really soft and cute. Don't get the winter blues. Do something silly. Buy yourself a frog or a dog or whatever it takes to keep yourself from the winter blues. We have so many challenges and collabs and things coming up. There's no reason for the winter blues. Have a smile at Fritz's expense. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.